Mjumbe wense moyo bunge ya West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka oibo igora se komiti yeri chiko ase bunge nene niko bono aina kirenga ekina kia bekure na inde ase kegambere kenene kwa mireria okoriko kwa wanyanyimbo tikebwati nguru chinde chonsi ase keri hakoeranga ekine kyo niko gyatuguterwa isiko igonge njendeteyo gekwera ni wa na inde boya ase ekoti yeyo
Kaukwana ekero kyogo chakia amaga choyobora robo boro kigwa ba KMTC obo boraire chi million chi mibere na merongevere ase gekakyo mwaka oyomo nigo Mogaka asabire mutenene liweli chiko Dorcas Odor agende kigambere kenene na koerera ekotinga omona chekina wekerengo ekemo tagwanchirana ekina omona chionde bare kerenge ekemo abete kagwanchirana mulikito Steven Nyariki Mbunde na robotiro
Nase homoyega bogo sioriari genario bwagachi bwenyomba choboraro asabaroki wabanyamira KMTC echikagere gocha kwera chiringi chimilioni 270 ejo chiragacho aseka kyo mwaka yomo asomoyega ikiranetweno mubungo West Steven Mogaka Aiga Steven Mogaka gatumeka ribagerio kweranga kikambiro ngeyo keronjorori okonacho awekina igoro yokori kwa kobanyanyimbo ekerobone kina kende kirwa se kagambiro na inde
na hii nazungumza kama wakili na mjumbe ambaye anakaa katika kamati ya haki kule bunge. Na koti ikishafanya uamuzi haiwezi kufungua tena kesi nyingine juu ya kile ambacho uamuzi umetolewa. The case of recruitment of police officers has already been determined by the High Court of Kenya and a judgment has been rendered. No High Court has any business to obtain another case about the same issue and purport to give an injunction stopping the recruitment of youth to be officers of the police. Kamati ya bunge ninasema mahakama tafadhali jiheshimu mheshimiwe.
Kerege kioni Mogaka gire bokongu gati yabarayi koragusi ababere bakumamo murayi wense William asakweranga na seki bakumurama keraretira magendero ayigusi
n'abali bali baruke n'obukanuya no president yensi mukutano wakinkobyunure wara president yensi, and I want to thank the president for ignoring all those who are hurling insults at him. Those are planned diversionary tactics so that you get distracted from focusing on the delivery of service and you get engaged in the dirty business of exchanging insults. I'm a learned lawyer and I don't belong to that club.
Ase siasa chanya maiyani go mubunge Mogaka arenge na haya
bono uyo ukire epati yane mugusio ino ukire epati yane aende tindikwera mura gungwasa mesi nabongo huru kiretenga tikatolende ground ngina abasoroliye bono mahata abwo kansola ichuko kansola kengere ekero chikura togwa kanyama yalia mwanche lietario mugusio lilikururwe cha mahatalia divaisa ko soye sikeime angina ankyo mutimote ngantu amanyiti. And I want to urge my colleagues who are elected in their respective parties. I'm elected under the Jubilee ticket, the MP who supports the government of Dr. William Ruto. As our party Jubilee starts organizing itself, please, we request those who are mourning louder than the bereaved to keep off, because party iko na wenyewe.
Steven Nyariki Mbunde, Nsoko TV West Mugirango, county ya Nyamira.